This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing clean art and the right canvas so your stickers print and cut accurately. Open Procreate or Affinity, set 300 dpi and the final physical dimensions. This keeps ink sharp. Once you have the canvas, add a 1/8" bleed so cuts won't clip design edges, and separate layers for artwork, shadow, and cut line. Export as PNG for die cut or SVG for vector cuts. Make sure to name files clearly so you can batch process later. Now you create the cut path and layout for production. On a separate layer, trace a smooth cut line around each sticker and set the stroke very thin so cutters read it reliably. Once done, duplicate and nest designs to fill an 8.5 by 11" sheet or A4, leaving 3 to 5 mm between items for safe cutting. Export transparent background PNGs if printing, or export SVGs for vinyl cutters like Cricut or Silhouette. This keeps shapes scalable and crisp. Finish by printing, cutting, and applying protective finish so your stickers last. Print a test page on the exact sticker paper and verify color and alignment against your cut lines. Once satisfied, run the full print. For durability, laminate or use a roll lamination, then use Kiss Cut settings for backing removal. Set pressure and blade depth to the paper weight. If cuts are off, recalibrate your cutter and adjust cut offset. Then rerun a small test sheet before committing to the full batch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.